Alrighty, guys. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone is having an amazing morning so far. Glad to have everybody here for today. We decided to go live for this unexpected live stream here because, we might have a couple tornadoes possible tonight across portions of like Pennsylvania into possibly New Jersey and New York State. Right now, there's no warnings or anything, but I wanted to go live just to make sure that y'all are being safe out there. Like I said, whenever there's any threat for tornadoes at nighttime, I get a little bit eerie. I get a little bit questionable. So what made me want to go live here is I got a notification from the Storm Prediction Center, and they were saying that there is a 40% chance that a watch will be issued because of tornadoes. And this little line here is in a favorable environment for a few tornadoes tonight. Like I said, especially, for tornadoes, obviously it's a pretty small tornado threat still, but tornadoes at nighttime is never a good mix. Never, ever a good mix. And that made me just want to go live just to make sure that if anything does happen, that we can catch it and that we can warn people in the path. So that's the reason why we were doing this live stream here. But anyways, what's up, my friends? Hope everyone's doing good. Let's go ahead and see who we have for today. We have John, we have Earthball, we have Cream Karn. Let's see, we have Liam, Roby, Shaw, we have Teresa, Rainbow, Jack. Let's see here, Liam. What's up, everybody? Like I said, glad to have y'all here. Hope everyone's having an amazing night so far. But yeah, like I said, we do have ourselves a potential here for a watch being issued from the Storm Prediction Center. Let's go ahead and pull this up for you. I'm actually going to bring this up here and drag it over to you. They put a watch possible. There you go. There you go. Right in that region. So they said potential for damaging wind gusts and a possible tornado or two should increase during the next few hours. And they obviously said the 40% chance that a watch will be issued across portions here of eastern Pennsylvania into portions here of, New York State. And for the tornado risk, this actually moves into central and northern New Jersey as well. Portions here of western Long Island, extreme western portions here of like Connecticut and Massachusetts and the southwestern side. But that's overall kind of what we are looking at there. It's just a 40% chance of a watch being issued, but if it does get issued, then we'll try to be live during the whole duration of the watch. But no promises. But I'm going to try to be live here for at least a couple hours tonight to make sure that the people who are up and the people who are watching. Keep an eye on this here because like I said, we have this low pressure system that's rolling through here and this thing is dragging up a little bit of instability, dragging up a lot of strong winds out here, which is allowing for the possibility for a couple brief tornadoes to be possible tonight. Unfortunately, a lot of people right now are not really thinking about tornadoes, which hopefully we can get the word out there to help prepare people for that. Let's see here. But anyways, let's see here. Thanks, Andrew, says Rainbow. You're very welcome. No problem, y'all. Let's see here. In Christ Alone says, hey, from Alabama. What's up? Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. All right. Got Holly Ann saying, hi, Andrew, from Long Island, New York. What's up, Holly Ann? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. Earthball says, I'm in D.C. D.C. does not have the risk. Yeah, the risk is north of D.C. here. Let me actually go ahead and show you guys today's tornado concern. So we have this little green blob here. This is today's tornado concern here for tonight, I should say. You can see that line is starting to work its way into that tornado threat. As you can tell, they added eastern Pennsylvania into it, central northern New Jersey here. Even western Long Island is included with this here. And, yep, New York City's in it as well. Very low probabilities, guys. Very, very low probabilities. But, overall, as a collective of all areas in the 2% chance, there's a shot. We could get a couple tornadoes tonight, unfortunately. So that's why I really wanted to go live for you guys. Like I said, mixing tornadoes and nighttime is terrible. Terrible. So I just decided I wanted to go live here once again for you guys just to make sure if anything does happen, it's on the live stream and that people can tune in if they have a warning. And obviously, all of that here. Like I said, right now, at the current moment, it's just, this line is starting to really kind of just kick off here. There's no warnings on it right now. But I caught it early because, like I said, I don't want to start late while there's a tornado warning and set up my stream and everything like that. I wanted to go live before any of that could happen, if it does. Let's see here. What's up, Wolf Gamer? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here this morning. Good morning, everybody. See a special weather statement on that line. Past few hours, yeah, it looks like it might be increasing, and that's actually what the Storm Prediction Center said. That's what the Storm Prediction Center said, is that the probability over the next couple hours is increasing, in which it makes sense because got a lot more instability building out there, a bit more wind shear, which is allowing for, obviously the storms to organize themselves pretty well, and the dew points here are in the upper 60s, which is very supportive. A lot of lower level moisture, which will contribute to good storm formation, good I hate to say it, but maybe a couple tornadoes, also that's good for tornadoes. Unfortunately, those rich dew points at the surface, so a lot of surface moisture. Let's see here. Liam says 28 million people in that 2% chance. That's the thing. It's a nighttime possible tornado threat. Not really the biggest threat in the world, obviously. It's a pretty small threat, but like I said, it covers a lot of pretty populated areas. And like I said, we'll definitely need to look out for this. Let's see here. Good morning. It's midnight. Well, it's morning, isn't it? The next day. 12 a.m. I consider a.m. morning. Let's see here. Rainbow says you're so thoughtful and kind, Andrew. Well, thank you, Rainbow. I try to be. I try to help out people. Obviously, especially in tornado threats at nighttime. Even if the probabilities are pretty low, I try to be here for as long as I can, just to make sure everybody is staying aware of the situation and being prepared. Like I said, if you guys are just now joining here, they did they did actually pull out a possible watch. Oop. Let's see here. Let me switch to this radar. There we go. That view. Okay, here we go. Yeah, like I said, basically we're having a lot of that warm air pulling its way up here, boundary layer moisture advection. What that means is that we just have a lot of warm, moisture-filled air driving north, okay? A little bit of a warm front action going on up here. So temperatures are a little bit more warmer than they typically would be at this time. But yeah, the colder air is backing from the back. We got a whole little bit of instability starting to build up across, eastern Pennsylvania into New York here, and eventually tracking towards, once again, New Jersey, maybe even there towards Long Island, southern New York State as well. So we'll just keep an eye on it. Let's see here. Earthball says, oh, that makes sense. Yeah. Kind of does, huh? Remember the SPC I looked at was Shape Ninja? Not really. Let's see here. Hurricane Hillary is heading to California for the weekend. Yeah, it is, unfortunately. We did a live stream on that earlier. Y'all preparing everybody. Just to make sure y'all are staying safe out there. We'll keep on updating you guys on the tropics here. Obviously, as new information comes through. Latest eye though it's actually pretty crazy. Let me actually go and drive down there for a minute. So there's the storm now, as you can see on that. Here, I'll blow it up for you guys so y'all can see a little bit better of it. But yeah, there's the storm right there. It's got its eye together. It's got its eye together. So that is, yeah, that's something to keep an eye out there for. Let's see here. All right. Let's see. Cream Carn says, I love that my area has been included in the Northeast tornado threat at night. In these past few weeks, I just want to sleep, man. I hear you, bro. I do. Yeah, I get it. Trust me. Like I said, I was not planning to go live either, but as soon as they issued that mesoscale discussion, I knew there was a small tornado chance today, but I wasn't really aware of it. I guess I really just wasn't paying attention on it being at nighttime. And the fact that they were considering issuing a watch for this line, it's like, yeah, I should probably cover this at nighttime. Anytime, like I said, anytime there's a tornado threat at night, you can count on me being live. What category is Hillary? Cat 3 right now. I think the last update has it. Let's see here. Last update has it at 11 p.m. Or 11 p.m. Wait, what? Not 11 p.m. 125. I'm losing it, guys. I'm losing it. 120. Wow, that thing's upgraded quite a bit, though. Holy cow. That is actually pretty, that looks pretty crazy. Let's see here. Ryan with a $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Ryan. Greatly appreciate it, man. It's very sweet of you. Appreciate it so much. I really do appreciate it. Saying, hey, man, great work as always. Thank you for your videos. The eye looks, yeah, oh God, yeah, for real. It's crazy. It looks pretty crazy. Absolutely. Once again, thanks so much, Ryan. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, so that's that. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Proxy donated $50. Proxy's apparently here. Proxy, thank you so much. Got a whopping $50 Venmo from Proxy saying, Andrew, thank you so much for keeping us all safe. Your weather channel is the best on YouTube. Let's see here. Hope you're feeling better, Proxy. Aw, Proxy. Thank you so much. I love you, Proxy. We all do. I really appreciate that. And I do feel better. I do feel better. Like I said, obviously, I just wanted to go live tonight because, you know, they introduced a possible tornado threat. It's not the biggest in the world, but anytime there's a nighttime tornado threat, it's like, yeah, we need to cover this. If tornadoes or not. If tornadoes happen, at least we'll be live covering it. If they don't happen, good. But still, I at least want to be here to make sure that everybody is being safe out there and everybody is, like I said, everybody is, you know, prepared for this. And like I said, y'all, once again, this tornado threat here for tonight does go across portions of central eastern Pennsylvania, central and northern New Jersey, southern portions here of New York State, which I'll go ahead and show you guys really quickly the overall risk here. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, so there you go. There's that green blob. That's the tornado threat for tonight here. Like I said, it does include some pretty populated areas, unfortunately. Let's see here. What is someone said the population, I think. Oh, wow. Okay, yep, tornado population is nearly 15 million people in this risk area. For tornadoes tonight, there's 15 million people in the risk there. Wow. Okay. Let's see here. Proxy says, hey, everybody. What's up, Proxy? Thank you so much once again, Proxy. We love you. It's very sweet of you. Let's see. Proxy to go. Absolutely. Yeah, we all love Proxy here. Thank you so much, Prox. Really sweet of you. When is that hurricane supposed to get close to San Diego, Los Angeles? This weekend. Kind of for Sunday into Monday is kind of when the big days are going to happen. You'll probably start feeling it Saturday, though. Saturday night. So we'll be live for that, too. I'll definitely make sure to be live for that because that's pretty historic. You know, honestly, that's pretty it's pretty crazy, unfortunately. Yeah, well, it's not every day you see that. It's not every day you see a hurricane set to make landfall in California. So we'll definitely have to watch out for that. Let's see here. Prayers for all in the past. Absolutely, yeah. We'll keep an eye on everybody. Like I said, we'll make sure that y'all get the warning if there is any tonight. Like I said, right now there's not even any severe thunderstorm warnings right now, but we got this line that's developing, and they're considering a watch. They're considering a watch for possible tornadic activity and wind damage too. Can't forget about that. Even hail, actually. Wait, what? Oh wait, that's tomorrow's threat. Whoops. Yeah, 2% today. Yep, no hail. That's right, no hail. Just damaging wind gusts in tornadoes. Why do they still have? So. Proxy, you're actually in the marginal risk here. You're in that severe threat level 1 out of 5 today for damaging wind gusts. I want to say it's over, though. I don't think you're going to get anything. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got a few little pop-up thunderstorms near you. Okay. Proxy, keep it out for a few scattered thunderstorms. It's looking like we got a little bit of activity popping up out there. Got a storm out towards North Olmsted that's kicking off. Yeah, no, near Cleveland, y'all. Near Cleveland, we got a few storms. Latest Storm Prediction Center update, they still have us in the marginal out there, which is interesting for sure. Let's see here. All right. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow too, y'all, does have a tornado threat as well for for the entire state of Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and southern Maine, actually, too. We'll have to watch out for. Also, hail and damaging winds, unfortunately. So, got to be weather aware tomorrow as well. Let's see. Proxy, love your display photo is so pretty. It is. Did you take that, Proxy? That's really pretty. Let's see here. Colt says, I'm in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. You can definitely feel it's hotter than normal this late. Yeah, we got a little bit of warm air advection, so a lot of warm air is rising from the south here, in which I can show you those dew points are really warm too. It's very humid, it looks. I mean, because you have those temperatures like in the lower 70s, and you got the dew points in the upper 60s. So it's like dew points in the 60s in general is good for thunderstorms, and unfortunately a couple tornadoes. It's good for the tornadoes because lower level moisture supply. Yes, very humid and moisture filled out there for sure. Let's see. Proxy says, Andrew, we've had periods of light to heavy rain in northeast Ohio with some wind. Otherwise, pretty quiet weather-wise. That's good. Yeah, here in Kentucky, where I'm at, we had one downpour. Like it downpoured pretty good. Downpoured for a couple minutes, but nothing crazy. You know, a little bit of wind maybe too, but it wasn't too bad. It really wasn't too bad. Rainbow says I took my photo. It was a massive rainbow. That's pretty. Nice shot. Really cool shot. All right, let's go and take a look at this line here, y'all. Good news is I don't see any rotation on it right now. Looks pretty solid. Looks like it's mostly just gusty winds. I tell you what, that's a heck of a line. I think I might have cameras actually, guys. I think I might. I think New York State had some good cameras. Let's see here. Pretty sure it does. Let's see. We're gonna turn over the weather radar. All right, let's try this guy. It's gonna take a second for it to load because my let's see, my stupid video thing glitches sometimes. My video card. Hold on a minute, y'all. Give me one small second. Come on, you can stop glitching. But here in a second, y'all, I'll pop you up to this camera. Let's see, this should work now. Let's see. All right, so the storm right now is across, let's see, towards Utica, towards Newport. All right, so if I use this camera, this should work. I don't know. Let's try this guy. There we go. All right. Well, we got it. We got a camera. Let's see. Let me turn that on for you guys so you guys can see it. There we go. All right. We got a camera. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay. That's a lot of lightning. So this storm looks to be pretty energetic, too. Shoot. Check out the current helicity in eastern Pennsylvania. I did see it. It was in the 200s. Yep. That's another reason why I went live, was based off of, like, surface analysis and all that stuff. It's pretty high. Let me actually, I'll show you guys that real quickly. So the current meso now, I still have it on the helicity, from 200 to 250, which that could support a couple moderate tornadoes here. Yeah, could support a couple moderate tornadoes right in this region. And that line is starting to move into that higher shear environment there, which that could spawn a couple tornadoes, unfortunately, tonight. And instability-wise, we got... Yeah, instability is not too high. It's really not too high, but it is. It should be enough instability to possibly fire off. Yeah, those winds are very strong. Lower level jet stream over 30 knots. 30 knots. That could. Yeah, that could definitely do something for sure. Unfortunately, I hate to say it, but it is possible for a couple tornadoes here. Let's see. Try different cameras here, y'all. Some of these cameras load, some of them don't. Let's see here. Let's see. There we go. Nice. Okay, we'll have that camera up there. Let's see. Hello from the thumb of Michigan. We had some, let's see, rain. Let's see here. We had some rain and hail today, but it was nothing. Hail was about quarter size. Wow, Terry, crazy. Yeah, even a quarter size hail can cause a bit of issues. Maybe a little bit of denting of vehicles and stuff. What's up, Court? Rainbow says might fall asleep. So going to keep watching, support you, Andrew. But it's getting late here, so thank you for helping people and God bless you. You're very welcome, Rainbow. And trust me, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I understand it's getting late here, but you know, I appreciate you for joining. I really do. Let's see here. There's a hurricane heading towards California and Nevada. Yeah, I literally allocated a whole stream to that earlier. Yeah, I'm aware of that. Unfortunately, it's pretty crazy though. It is pretty crazy. It's pretty rare. Let's see here. Yeah, no, it is pretty rare. I actually have that up on the satellite view if you guys can see it. Isn't that something? Did they ever issue that watch? I don't think they did. No, I mean, they only gave it a 40% chance of a watch being issued, but like I said, any tornado threat at nighttime, it makes me a little uneased. So I just decided to do an unexpected live stream. When's the next real severe weather event? Well, probably, probably a little bit from now. Yeah, probably still going to be at least a week. I mean, because the next 3 days, oh no, this is New York. New York did this a lot. At least over the next 3 days, there's not expected to be much. Tomorrow could be I think tomorrow, or today, I should say, might go slight. We'll see how that goes. Like I said, it has all hazards on it. Hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes, so we'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. Shaw says, I'm listening while cleaning. All right. See here, few cells firing off in northeastern Maryland. Really? That's Delaware. Let's try KDOC's radar here. That might be a good one to look at that for. Let me see here. Goodness, that semi is flying. Is this radar not working or something? I think this radar might be down. Whoops. Alright, we'll just try. Oh, I see what you mean, yeah. There's a couple storms popping up out there by the Chesapeake. They don't look anything crazy, though. They're not even in that tornado threat, though, so I ain't worried about those. Now, the only thing I'm a little sketched out about is, this guy. This line is going through East Central Pennsylvania right now. Let's see here. Judy says, my brother was surprised when I told him a hurricane was heading this way. Surprised. I'm amazed you're all awake. I know, I'm amazed everybody else is awake here. Shoot, we have 135 viewers right now at 1 a.m. I didn't think anybody was going to watch this personally, but regardless, I wanted to make sure everybody was at least notified of the possible tornado threat tonight. And I decided, like I said, right now there's no warnings or anything. I decided to go live in case warnings pop up. And like I said, I got a word from the Storm Prediction Center saying that they're thinking about issuing a watch. 40% chance overall probability of a watch being issued for tornadoes and damaging winds. So, yeah. So I wanted to go live for you guys. I mean, just to be careful. You know, just to be safe, to make sure everybody is aware of the situation, that everybody is, you know, staying safe out there. It's all we care about here, y'all. Just making sure everybody gets the warning, just making sure everybody remains safe. I mean, like I said, I honestly was not planning to go live, but, you know, I wanted to. I want to make sure everybody's, you know, doing okay here. Yeah, it looks like those winds are getting pretty strong, though, towards Windsor. Out there in, let's see. Actually, this is in New York State. Yeah, Windsor, New York. South Central side. Let's see here. Let's see here. I'm in Rhode Island, keeping an eye on the storms. Says John. That's good. Yeah, stay weather aware there. You know, honestly, you're probably going to be good for a while, considering the line's still pretty far away from Rhode Island. Still a little ways away. Let's see. Let me look at the models real quickly. I'll bring you over here as well, y'all. I'm going to show you guys the projected HRRR here. So the current time is 05 Zulu. So right there, right about there. Okay. Yep, that's about where the storm's at right now. So we go to 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Yeah, it kind of seems like your threat for Rhode Island is like for late tomorrow morning, early tomorrow afternoon. So you can kind of see that's when the storms are expected to roll by you. So yeah, you can go to sleep if you want to, John. You should be fine as long as you get up by like 8. Maybe a little later will be all right. But yeah. Let's see here. Mike's, yeah, Mike. There is a shot for a couple nocturnal tornadoes tonight. Unfortunately, I hate to say that, but it's can't be ruled out. Cannot be ruled out there. Yeah, like I said, we're starting to get a little bit of a leading edge here towards Windsor and south central New York State. It looks pretty strong. Looks like some pretty gusty winds out there. Surprised they don't even have a. Do they have a special weather statement for this? I don't know if they do or not. Let's see. I think I have those. No, they're on. Guess not. But it looks like there's a lot of lightning out of that storm, though. That's for sure. See, 1939. Was that the last time we had like a tropical system like that? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, you guys can see Hillary right up there on the top second panel. This guy's a Cat 3 now. Category 3 with a see, it was 135 it was? Oh, 125, sorry. Yeah, it is expected to wow, they upgraded that dramatically. Oh, dude. Guys, I hate okay. Max wind speed apparently by tomorrow morning is supposed to be 150 miles an hour now. It upgraded like crazy. I think it has a shot to go Cat 5 personally. I think it probably could, and it might it could go Cat 5 tomorrow. We'll see. I think it's a possibility. Wow. You know, I would at least give it a 40% chance of going Cat 5. Considering how drastically it's upgrading itself and the environment it's in, straight up conducive. Let's see here. Insurance tip for y'all. If a Nader steals your house, you can claim it. Wait, what? You can claim it as theft. Mr. Snow says, can I get the Cat 5? Yeah, like I said, I think it's possible. TRG says, heading out. Have a great night this morning. You too, TRG. I'm in Maryland and being safe. My grandma's in California and caught in a hurricane. Well, luckily, it's not supposed to be a hurricane in California. That's what a lot of people are mistaken. It's forecasted to be a tropical storm for California. The main concern, I mean, obviously winds are going to be a little concern, but I think flooding is going to be more the bigger concern rather than those winds. I mean, because portions here of portions out there in the West experience some pretty strong winds sometimes too. Let's see here. Ryan, thank you, dude, with the $5 super chat. Very sweet of you, man, saying keep up the great work in W16. Well, thank you, Ryan. That's very sweet of you. I appreciate it. Big shout out goes to you, Ryan. Thank you for helping us out. Really means a lot. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, like I said, y'all don't have to donate. It really helps out, obviously, but like I said, just it's the thought that counts. Thank you guys so much. And like I said, y'all just being here is more than enough. Like I said, I was not expecting anybody to be here tonight personally because I figured everybody went to bed, which I don't blame everybody. But like I said, anytime there's a tornado threat and it happens at night, I'm like, yeah, I think we should probably go live. Probably should, but yeah, they say flooding in California is the biggest issue. Yeah, let's see, the Weather Prediction Center. I don't know if they updated day 3 yet. Is it up yet? No, it's still slight for August 20th. Here you go. There you go. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this real quickly. Oop. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, so they have a big flooding risk here. Greatest flash flood risk over the next 5 days. They put a moderate threat, a level 4, or a level 3 in this case, out of 4. Sorry. Really big flooding concern for southern, really far southern portions of California. Still pretty still pretty good chance for some flooding. I mean, even across like Los Angeles, San Diego area. But the greatest probability of flooding will be across the red there. Small, slim chance for flooding across the dark green. Decent chance for flooding across yellow, and big chance for flooding across the red. Shoot, I would not be surprised if they update that to a high risk by the time it gets here. They're just still a little unsure about precipitation and how much we're going to get exactly, but could be a lot. Look at this. Here's another graphic for you guys showing the rainfall. Look at that. Some areas could see as high as 15 to 20 inches across northern Baja California, right there for that peninsula. Isn't that crazy? Liam asked, I think it could go high. Soon as you say that, yep, I think it possibly could. Considering that we're talking a lot of rain here for people who's not used to it, so I guarantee you, or I don't guarantee you, but I guarantee you it's possible for a high risk to be issued. I mean, we're only 4 days out here, and they already have a moderate level 3 out of 4. That's pretty decent. Not gonna lie, definitely is. Oh my gosh, guys, guess what? Not that this means anything, but I'm now verified on Twitter. Look at that. Look at that, guys. If you want to follow us on Twitter, at NWW116_WX. That's our Twitter handle. If you guys want to follow us on Twitter. Or X. Never going to call it X. Or the... whatever program. I'm just going to call it Twitter. I've always called it Twitter my whole life. Never calling it anything else. Let's see. I briefly saw a watch come up earlier in the evening as being possible. I say we are near... let's see, Mohawk Valley, New York. Let's see here. Came to see what you were seeking, says Laura. Gotcha. Yeah, like I said, I think are you talking about Laura, are you talking about the mesoscale discussion? This guy right here. This is why I went live. I knew there was a chance for tornadoes. I wasn't sure. I thought it was actually like earlier this afternoon and evening, but I just wasn't paying attention much to it because it was just, itty bitty tornado threat. But then I seen them talk about it possibly for a few tornadoes and damaging winds. And, with that happening there, like I said, with that happening and all, like I said, anytime there's a nocturnal tornado threat, it's like, yeah, I don't want to chance tornadoes. No matter the threat level. I mean, anytime there's a chance for nighttime tornadoes, you can count me to be here. It's I don't like tornadoes at first place, but nighttime tornadoes in an area that's at risk 15 million people, it's like, yeah, I better cover this. So I was literally ready to go to bed and stuff, but I'm like, no, I better be live for you guys. So, I really do love being live here though with you guys, just hanging out with everybody too. Even if warnings are not, like I said, even if warnings don't happen today, I'm happy because at least I was here and ready to go if there was a warning to be issued. Which right now it looks like we're not really seeing much rotation right now. We got a few little areas we should watch out for though. But right now everything looks a-okay from what it looks like. But it's quite a nasty little line there. I tell you what. I mean, look at that thing. Thing's definitely cranking a bit. Let's see here. Strong thunder is striking northern Pennsylvania. Gotcha. Proxy says, congrats, Andrew. Well, thank you, Proxy. Here soon, Proxy, you're going to be getting that pink little spinny member icon. Because you've been a part of the channel for like 11 months now. So you'll be getting it here very soon. Within the next couple of streams, I'd say. Prepper says, good morning. What's up, Prepper? My online family. Time to sing the old country song, Naders in the Dark, Destroying the Trailer Park. I've never heard that one. But glad to have you here, Prepper. Hope you're doing alright, man. Or ma'am. Glad to have you here. Let's see here. Alright. But yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look at this here, guys. Look at this. Here's the look at Hillary there. It's really getting crazy. that eye has become so much more visible. It's becoming a lot more visible here. And like I said, guys, the latest update here has this storm literally getting up to 150 sustained, which if I'm correct, I think it has to be 156 or higher to be considered Cat 5. Let's see your Saffir-Simpson scale. Let me look this up here. I'm just wanting to make sure. I'm pretty sure it is 156 plus. No? Wow. No, never mind. It's 157. I'm sorry. Went off. I knew it was some weird number. Actually, let me pull up this image for you first, and then we'll... let's see. Open image, a new tab. Here we go. There you go. Oh, you're on this side. Okay, there you go. Yep, 157 plus. So it's literally forecasted to be 7 mile an hour short. Earlier it was forecasted to be 15 mile an hour short, or 16 or 17 mile an hour short. Now it's like, last update went up, gust up to 185. Wow. Dude, that's crazy. Now, if you want to know my opinion, I do think it could go Cat 5. Personally, I think because it's undergoing so much rapid intensification over a short period of time, it would not be surprising if it did get up that high. But like I said, we'll keep y'all posted on that. I would not be surprised if we wake up in the morning. It is supposed to be a Category 4, upper level Category 4 tomorrow, so we shall see. Yeah, we shall definitely see. See, very proud to be nearly a 1 year supporting member of the channel. So proud of your channel's growth, Andrew. Oh, well, thank you, Proxy. Could not do it without you, Proxy. Seriously, you've done a lot and helped out for us so much. Really appreciate it. Let's see here. Let's see, 100 mile per gallon. You mean miles an hour winds in California? Sounds like it's not gonna hit. It's not gonna be 100 mile an hour winds in California. By the way, no, this is before it makes landfall. It is going to be. See, it is going to be weaker by the time. Yeah, it's supposed to be a tropical storm by the time it gets there, with gusts up to 75. But yeah, just want to bring to your attention back Maryland line again. Storm is really intensified. Alright, let's look at that. Bring y'all back over here real quick. Guess we'll use K. Oh wait, KDocs didn't work. That's right. We'll use KLWX here. Let me try KDocs again. Oh, now it works. Why was KDocs not working? I don't see it really developing that much. Yeah, a couple little scattered thunderstorms. No, I don't really see it taking off much. I don't know what you're talking about. It's kind of remaining around the same intensity, it looks like. Let's see. Liam says, I know I have not donated much here, but you're one of my favorite YouTube streamers, Andrew. Liam, it's never about the donations. Like I said, it's all about y'all just, hanging out and being weather aware. That's all we care about. It's never, ever about the money. Never. Like I said, you all never have ever got to donate to this channel. Never. It's an option to you guys if you'd like to, but no, it's never required. Seriously. It's, I just love tracking this. I love being here and hanging out with everybody and making sure y'all are staying safe. And, honestly, the donations is, like a side thing. It's not even really one of the main things on this channel. I really don't care about the donations. I do, but you know what I mean. I don't really, like I said, I mostly just care about y'all being safe. That's what I'm trying to say. I keep telling Californians to make sure to buy food, water, essentials. San Diego already been put. Yeah. Oh, that's true. That's true, Shah. Absolutely. Yeah. No, they should. Honestly, like I said, though, the winds, they've experienced those winds before. Getting up to gusty, 60 plus mile an hour winds. What they're not used to, I think people are preparing for the wrong thing, personally. I think a lot of people I think a lot of people are preparing more for the winds than the flooding, right? I think that obviously as the storm scrapes Baja California, as it goes right next to the peninsula, it's gonna that lower level structure of the storm, all those winds, it's gonna start getting shredded up like a blender. So the winds are gonna start to die, but the moisture's still gonna be there, still gonna be there. So the winds, yes, it will still be very gusty across those regions. Don't get me wrong, it will be. But the water, the flooding is what you got to look out for. That's what I'm mostly concerned about because some areas could see 15 to 20 inches according to well, or for Baja California as of now. What did they have? Let's see. They have okay. Wow. They have 6 to 10 inches kind of isolated across southern California and southern Nevada. Here you go. Yeah, look at that. So the orange is 6 to 10 inches of rainfall. So we got a lot of isolated little patches throughout this region here. That could be seeing 6 to 10. But look at this. Yeah, once again for like Baja California, you see there's some little pink slots here. Pretty unlikely, but 15 to 20 inches is possible. It's possible. It's nuts. But anyways, yeah, definitely is pretty crazy. Let's see here. Since the waters are hot, will they have to recharacterize the hurricane charts? Same with tornadoes. It's a good question. Probably not. No, I think they'll probably keep it. I mean, we got a pretty good system, honestly. So, now, some people would think that we should increase the scale, like Category 6, Category 7, which, honestly, personally, I know it sounds pretty ridiculous, but I think that would not be a bad idea, considering because we've had hurricanes that have had sustained winds over 200 miles per hour, right? The scale for Cat 5 literally goes basically here from 157 plus. Between 150 and 200 plus, that's pretty incredible. A big gap. It sounds stupid about adding more, Category 6, but I think it could be necessary. Like have like Category 6 for 180 plus, and I don't know. That's just what I think. I know everyone's opinion is probably going to be different, but that's just what I think. Considering that I think the scale should be extended because there's just such a wide gap between where Cat 5 starts and the strongest we've had. It's crazy. It is crazy. Let's see. Depends on the right side of the storm hits. Yeah, you'll be correct about water will hit. Yeah, you also got to watch out for the right side of tropical systems for tornado threats. Actually, now that I think about it, we probably could have a tornado threat across Southern California this weekend. I wouldn't be surprised if there's at least a 2% tornado threat down there for Southern California. Let's see. Knight says, I don't think it's stupid. This could communicate the severity of hurricanes at high level. Yeah, I mean, like I said, the reason I do think that is because, like I said, basically we have, once again, the scale is at 157 higher. That's Cat 5, and the scale literally from let's see, Cat 4 here. Do I still have this up? I do. Here, I'll show you all this. See, 130 to 156 is Cat 4. 157 plus, we've had it up to 200. I think 215 was the highest sustained I think I've seen. So. Big gap. I mean, this is only like a 26 mile an hour gap. 26 mile an hour plus this is like 180 something. That's where we should possibly lower it. Anyways, that's a little bit off topic, but that's just what I think. I mean, seriously. If it gets to Cat 5, do I think California will get hit by a Cat 1? I don't know, honestly, because there's a lot of things you got to take into consideration, such as how fast the storm's moving, how close it gets to those mountain ranges, because like I said, the mountain ranges will absolutely shred apart those winds. Essentially, will shred that lower level wind field. So yeah, there's a lot of factors to play into this. Right now, it's not expected to, but we will see. I mean, it is expected to potentially be a tropical storm. Yeah, right now it's supposed to be before it hits California. Right as it goes over towards like San Diego, it could be probably around 55 sustained. with gusts maybe 60 plus. But yeah, that's that. Mitch says Gulf of California waters is a hot tub. Temperatures are not right now over 90 degrees. I think they are. I think they're 33 degrees Celsius, which that's extremely hot. They are way above average here. Let me actually look for you. Oh yeah. See here, Gulf of Mexico, Western Atlantic. Holy cow. Yeah, I've like never seen that. It's like breaking the charts. Look at that. So, for example, tropical cyclones can happen in 26 degrees Celsius water and higher. So, in theory, in theory, if the other conditions are right, no wind shear and high amounts of moisture, tropical cyclones could live in any of these areas here, any of these waters. And if the other conditions are right, we could undergo some rapid development in the Gulf under any disturbance that tracks in the Gulf. If there's no moisture, or if there's a lot of moisture, and there's no wind shear, it would be explosive, and it would literally strengthen very quickly, probably even faster than what Hillary's doing right now. Easily, considering that there's a lot more hotter waters out there. Pretty sure out in the EPAC, the Eastern Pacific, we only have. Yeah, waters are still pretty. Oh wait, I think the storm is in the 29 degrees Celsius mark. So imagine like 22, 23 degrees Celsius, a lot hotter. Anyways, let's see. Cat 6, 175. Cat 7, 205. Cat 8, 220 plus. Yeah, it seems logical. Personally, that's what I think. Honestly, I'm not sure exactly about those numbers, but I think they need to upgrade the Saffir-Simpson scale because it's a little old, considering that the maximum we've seen is like 200. I think Hurricane Patricia back in October of 2016. No, it was 2015 maybe. It was 2015. It was seriously a strong storm. Let's see. Yep, highest wind speed was 214 mile per hour winds. So yeah, big gap between where Cat 5 starts, 157, up to 214. Meanwhile, between Cat 4 and Cat 5 is a 26 mile an hour wind speed gap. So you see what I'm saying? It just makes sense to increase the scale a bit. But anyways. But yeah, y'all, we've been live here for almost an hour, about 10 minutes short. But so far, no tornado warnings. It's good. I just want to be here in case warnings do pop off. And I'm happy to chat with everybody here. What's up, Haley? Doing good? And the higher pressure growing in the central U.S. opens the door for hurricanes to slam the Gulf Coast. You said high pressure in the central U.S.? Yeah, I mean, kind of. Yeah, if you have high pressure down in the southeast, could bounce it around a little bit. Let's see. Karma says tornado potential. I'm in north central New York. Been lightning and thunder. Yeah. Leop says I'm gonna be here till 1:40 if you need me. Just hit me up on Discord when I leave. All right, sounds good. Laura says me too, Karma. I'm in Rome. For a second, I thought you were saying you live in Rome, Italy. It's about to be like, whoa, what? That's crazy. I don't think, from what I know, I don't think we've ever had anybody from Italy join. I mean, probably at some point, but. Let's see here. Shaw says exactly that's why I always be prepared to stock up. Don't depend on others for water, food, etc. Yep. You know, I believe strongly it's better to over-prepare than under-prepare. You know, no, but what I don't believe in is over-forecasting events. I know there's a lot of people, not saying any names, that over-forecast things and that overdo things a bit. Like I said, not saying names, but there is a handful of people who do. Now, like I said, I don't believe in over forecasting. I believe, like I said, what I give out is official. Like whatever I say is official here, either coming directly from the Storm Prediction Center or directly from multiple model sources averaged out, essentially. But yeah, no, I believe it's a better. I believe it's a better thing to over prepare for severe weather events and just to be safe if it does get worse than what we forecast. Rather than under preparing, because if you under prepare, you're not going to be as prepared for an event, which could be pretty bad, you know. Anyways, let's see here. Fun town names here in the United States. There really is, isn't there? Laura says, sorry, Rome, New York. You're good, Laura. You're fine. Let's see here. Pamela says, also there will be lots of places that would be underwater if they have moisture-rich hurricanes plus storm surge too. Yeah. Are you talking about California? Yeah, I think California could get some serious flooding problems. If you're prone to, if you're in southern, if you're in southern or not North Carolina, if you're in southern California, and you're prone to flooding areas, you're in low-lying areas, I would really watch out for this, and maybe even consider going somewhere else that's higher up just to be safe. Let's see here. But yeah. Cream Carn says, a healthy dose of preparing for the worst case scenario. You do it right for sure. Yeah, like I said, it's always good to over-prepare than under-prepare. I mean, just to ensure more of a better outcome, you know? Let's see here. And Christ Alone says, appreciate you coming on tonight. Give people heads up. Nighttime tornadoes are nothing to be taken lightly. You're very welcome. Yeah, no, honestly, I seen that possible watch being issued, and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to go live because I don't want to chance any tornadoes happening. Did they ever issue that watch? I don't think they did. At least I didn't get notified of it. Nope, they didn't. When does this expire? Valid until 2 a.m. Eastern. So it expires in 27 minutes. So we'll know in 27 minutes if we get a watch or not. I don't think they will, personally. 40% chance, I mean, it's possible. But we'll see. Let's see. Earthball says I left a like. Thank you, Earthball. Greatly appreciate it. Yeah, if you guys are not already, if you have not already, please consider subscribing. So I don't ask for much on this channel, but if you guys could consider subscribing, it'll be greatly appreciated. Maybe leaving a like here. Like I said, I really appreciate all of your support, guys. Thank you so much. Once again, big shout out to our donators so far today. Proxy, thank you so much with the big donation. Trying to move my foot here. Big donation. Thank you so much there, Proxy. Very sweet of you. Ryan, we had actually, wow, 2 Ryans. I just realized, yeah, 2 Ryans have donated here. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for helping out. Just being here means a lot. Let's see here. Yeah, especially for New York State, a lot of weather people don't bother going live for us here because we usually don't get tornadoes. But this time of year has been, but this year's been a surprise for real. It's been a crazy year. I tell you what, for everybody, not just for us in the U.S., but for, I mean, literally. Oh, I thought that was a watch being issued. I was like, but literally for like for the whole world, not just the U.S., but the whole world. It's crazy. It's really crazy. It's definitely been a pretty wacky year, per se. Let's see here. Let's see your walkie-talkie scanner. Good purchase. Yeah. Oh, that's not a bad idea. Get a scanner. Not too bad. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, Cream Karn, thank you so much for becoming a tropical stormer. Greatly appreciate it, Cream Karn. And welcome to the club. Very sweet of you, man. Thank you so much. Let's see here. I need to sleep soon. Alarm set to 5 hours from now, says Shaw. I got you. Nebraska sends it. Reed Timmer is missing out on the chase. It's never a good idea to chase at nighttime when you can't see nothing. Personally, I wouldn't. But yeah. Now, I'm hoping this event spawns no tornadoes. I'm hoping there's no tornado warnings today. Let's do a creek. Ooh. I mean, you can see in some areas how, you know, the winds are a little turbulent out there, which is a little interesting, a little concerning. But so far, so good. Knock on wood. We don't want nothing. We don't want no. We don't want no naders tonight. But unfortunately, there's a chance. Let's see here. Like I said, back over to meso analysis too, guys. We have some pretty strong winds out there. Not too much instability. I mean, we got a decent amount there towards southeast Pennsylvania. Don't get me wrong. Oh, yeah, that's where the major of the tornado threat is. Decent little amount of instability out there. What's really concerning is these helicities. They actually might have dropped a bit, actually. Yeah, 150 to 200, 0 to 3 kilometer relative helicity could support some lower level rotation here. Gotta really look out for that. Also, the winds towards the surface here, pretty strong lower level jet stream. You know, the jet stream at the lower portion of the atmosphere, we're talking like 4,000 feet up, is racing to the north here, which is good direction for tornadoes. Also, around 40 knots. Yeah, definitely could support. Yeah, definitely could support it. Definitely, maybe a few tornadoes. But let's hope not. Let's see here. Cream Carton says, thanks, Scott. You're very welcome. Thank you, Cream Carton. Really appreciated. Really appreciate it, y'all. Let's see. Prayers for rain people. Let's see. Prayers for rain for people. West British Columbia. Gotcha. See, you should have a go bag. Let's see here. I have them ready. Kids, pets here. I gotcha. Wind bag. This is Nebraska fan. This thing has the potential for producing gusty winds too. They actually did mention that on that mesoscale discussion, which expires in what, 22 minutes? 22 minutes. Let's see here. Morning from the UK. What's up, John? Will this crazy weather merge with upcoming hurricane / typhoon season? Let's see. Well, like this event. Well, hurricane season, despite El Nino, is actually forecasted to be a little bit more strong. Let's see here. Vanessa says, "Holy cannoli, cheese, and guacamole." What's up, y'all? What's up, Vanessa? I said a lot of people. Like I said, a lot of people did not expect me to be live right now. Like I said, there's a small tornado threat tonight. I just wanted to be live just in case if anything happens. Let's see here. Where did I get my hat? This right here. It's a custom NWW16 hat. You can get them on our merch page, y'all. Did you guys know we had merchandise? There's a link down in the description. You guys can check it out. We do sell this hat. I think we have it for like $15 right now in the store. That's pretty cheap. Let's see here. Yeah, I make like no profit off of those, hardly anything. So, looks like just for just spreading awareness. Let's see. What's up, Eddie? Hope you're doing good. Is it me or is this line getting darker, like red, like more violent looking? Yeah, it looks like some of these areas could be... Oh, wow, 40 knots. 6,000 feet up, though. Now, this line's definitely probably pretty gusty, it looks like. Let's see here. Live Tornado Chasen says, "Hey, what's up? Thanks for the coverage. You're awesome." Well, thank you, Tornado Chasen. And I hope you're doing good. Like I said, yeah, I just wanted to hop live here just to make sure that nothing happens. I mean, obviously, if I can't make sure nothing happens, but I can be live in case something does happen. Like I said, you know, if this live stream goes without an entire tornado warning, I will be happy. I really will. But like I said, just in case if a tornado warning is needed and a tornado looks like it's about to happen, we'll be here just in case. Yeah, total last decision thing. I was about to go to bed and I'm like, wait, no, I better I better cover this because I saw that. That the Storm Prediction Center put out that 40% watch issuance possibility for tornadoes and wind damage. I feel like if they were to issue a watch, it would probably. I think it'll probably be like a severe thunderstorm watch. I don't think they would issue a tornado watch, personally, but pretty sure it would be a severe thunderstorm watch for winds and a couple tornadoes possible. Let's see here. Knight says Andrew will deflect the naders. I will try my best. I will try. No promises, but... Hey, what? That there looked a little suspicious. Doesn't look like hardly anything anymore. I don't know. Let's watch that. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's see here. Alrighty. Now, but this thing is definitely looking like it's getting ready to pack a punch. Let's see here. Proxy says, I'm wearing my awesome NW116 merch hat and baby cell tee. Yo! That's awesome, Proxy. It's what the coolest peeps are wearing. Enjoying Andrew's excellent coverage. Heck yeah, Proxy. Yeah, I'm wearing mine too. I guess yours looks just like that. I love this hat design, personally. That's awesome, Proxy. I appreciate it. Nice says, I fought a tornado before. I got your back, New York. Absolutely. Yeah, I don't know. That southern flank here, y'all, is starting to look like it's starting to kick up a bit. Hey, let me switch radars, actually. Let's try KCCX, maybe? I don't think this will give good data, but we'll try it. You know, it's like these areas that make me a little iffy. A little concerned, I should say. But yeah, so far I don't see any like tight rotation. I see some areas that we need to watch, though. Maybe some weak mesos. Weak mesocyclones, maybe. A couple of them. But they ain't strong enough yet to do anything tornadic. Yeah. No, there's hardly even anything on this radar right now. Yeah, whoa, look at that. Maybe towards Gilbertsville. Radar's estimating over 40, nearly 50 knots. That could be pretty gusty. Let's see here. Proxy says, oh, just heard a deep, loud rumble of thunder. Oh. Wait a minute. There's a special marine warning. Or, sorry. Yeah, special marine warning. Sorry, I got it right. For, oh, wow. Proxy. Whoa, there it is. That's new. That thing just popped up. So, you're not in a warning per se. Water spouts possible and small hail. Oh, man. Well, they included water spouts being a potential. That's a little suspicious. I don't think you can detect water spouts on radar, though. Because it's not associated with the mesocyclone. Unfortunately. Let's see here. Robin says, I just joined your channel. Is awesome on our TV. I bet. See, you have excellent coverage. Thank you. I shared your channel on my Facebook page. We are in Georgia. Oh, well, that's sweet, Robin. Thank you so much for that. So, obviously, getting the word out there is the most important thing, obviously. I really appreciate it. Thank you for sharing. Let's see here. Surprise storm. Stay safe. Yeah, for real, Proxy. Be safe out there. I don't think you'll... I really don't think that you'll see anything crazy out of it, but I'd keep an eye on it. I mean, they still have you in that marginal for winds being possible. Janice says, hi from Hawaii. Flying from Lax to Boston Monday to Tuesday. Potential for so-called tropical storm. Thanks. You're welcome, Janice. And hello from the U.S. mainland. Hope you're doing good. Been seeing a handful of waterspout reports in the last month. Oh, They just... Oh, look at that, y'all. There you go. First warning. Severe thunderstorm warning just got issued here. No tornado possible. Penny-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Oh, wait. I went... Whoa. What's going on here? Oh, I don't like that. See that little notch there? Oh, that's... Yeah, things look like they might be trying to get a little nasty. Let's see. They issue a watch. They did not. Got 14 minutes left. Oh, wow. Okay, yep. So 60-mile-per-hour wind gust towards Deposit here. Sydney Center, Walton, being possible. 60-mile-per-hour wind gust in Penny-sized hail, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. So this is for south central New York State. Let's see. KDGF says, what's good for 44125? Not too many zip codes. 44125. I can do a couple of them. Yeah, a couple gusty winds out of a couple scattered thunderstorms tonight. Let's see here. David says, when will the line of storms enter the 2% zone? They're already in the 2% zone. Here, I'll show you where. So if I was to... Yeah, so that green area, this green area is that 2% tornado threat. The line's already in it. 13 minutes until day 2 becomes day 1, says Cream Carn. Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. Wait, no. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I guess so. It's 06. That's right. But anyways, but yep, guys, new warning just got issued. Not tornado warning, by the way. Good, which is good. Just severe thunderstorm warning here for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being possible towards Deposit and Sydney Center. Walton is included here. Yeah, there's no rotation or anything on it. That's good. Let's see. I live on a street that's a dead end, ends in a lake, so hopefully no water spouts will be visiting tonight. Proxy, I hope not. Hope not. Robin says, when are you live? So you can watch your channel. Robin, it really varies. So before big severe weather events, like the day of, I go live usually around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern time, before the main event kicks off to give a forecast to everybody. And then just depending on whenever storms fire, we go live once they start kicking off here. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm interested. Seeing there's a severe thunderstorm warning. This is Liam. Yeah, there is a severe thunderstorm warning now. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny hail possible. Let's see. Liam woke back up for the warning issue. Yep. Janice, once we take a look here at 14411. Let's see. Yeah, no, you're not in that tornado shot for tonight. You're good. You can sleep peacefully knowing that no tornadoes will be a problem for you. Let's see. Prepper says, yep, the heat and humidity in the desert tonight is big time. Phoenix is still over 100. 57 dew point at almost 11 p.m. Scary. Wow. Goodness. Yeah, well, this is across the East Coast. But yeah, no, even then, I mean, here, I'll show y'all. The dew points are really high, upper 60s, and the temperatures are really low, or kind of low, not really, in the lower 70s. So it's a high humidity. The closer your dew point and your outside temperature are to each other, the higher the humidity. The more spaced out, the lower the humidity. So since the dew point and your temperature outside is too off here, that means your relative humidity has to be at least 90% here. Got to be pretty. It doesn't really show, but it's got to be pretty high. How many minutes until the live stream ends? I don't know. I really don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure when we're going to end this here, y'all. I just started an hour ago. I am tired though. Not gonna lie. So I was ready to go to bed whenever I got this, but I was like, yeah, I better go live for a little bit. I'll try to stay up as long as I can, y'all, until I physically can't move anymore. Just y'all can't say I don't care about you guys, because I really do. But everything looks okay. Everything looks fine so far, except for that, like I said, that little warning we got there. Not for tornadoes, just severe thunderstorm warning. For Deposit, Sydney Center, and Walton. This is in South Central New York State. For the possibility, like I said, let's see, for the possibility of 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, penny-size hail. Let's see here. Laura says, I'm about to turn in, and really do appreciate you being here for us tonight. I believe our area is clear enough, and if not, I'll hear the phone go off. That's good, Laura. Well, yeah, go ahead and go get yourself some sleep. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Trust me. I get it. It's late. It's real late. Darn Mother Nature. Always throwing some nasty weather at nighttime. Or just doing funky stuff in general. Let's see here. Earthball says, I will watch your newest live video. Cool, thank you. Let's see. Shaw says, I might fall asleep listening. Like I said, I don't blame y'all. I really don't. Thanks for covering. You're very welcome. No problem. You guys are very, very welcome. I'm growing a little concerned for this guy right here, personally. It seems like it's... You see it? It looks... I think it... Yeah. I'm going to watch this little tail here closely. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. I don't know if they're going to do anything about this, but that kind of looks like a little bit of rotation to me there, trying to spark off here. Yeah, let's just watch it closely. Proxy says, Andrew, perhaps place a cot near your desk or stream from your bed. That way you're ready to snooze as soon as your stream ends. Yeah, it's funny, Proxy. Not a bad idea. Like I said, whenever I move, Proxy, I'm getting a pretty big room. It's like, I think it's like 30 foot long. It's a pretty big room. So it'll be in the same room. So where I'm at right now is my setup's in the basement downstairs. I have to go up the stairs, go around, and then go through a hallway, and my room's all the way at the end. So I have to like travel all the way across the house to get upstairs and all the way to the other side of the house to get to my room. And so whenever I move to Florida here in the next couple of months with my family, because my family lives down there. I have family that lives down there. My girlfriend lives down there, as some of you guys know. Some of y'all don't. That'll make it a lot easier. It really will. So that will be nice. It really will be. And you know, like I said, y'all, that's why we are, you know, I don't even know where I was gonna go with that. I kind of forgot what I was gonna say. Whoops. It's late, y'all. It really is. Let's see. Haley says, I'm back, Andrew. What's up? Oh, day one outlook here. Marginal risk for Eastern New York. Yeah, so we got a tornado threat tomorrow, but I think it's during the daytime mostly. Yeah, it's mostly during the daytime, so I think we should be good. If it's a 2% chance for tornadoes during the daytime, more than likely we'll probably not cover it, but considering they're thinking about issuing a watch for this event here, and considering that there is literally the environment that's suitable for nighttime tornadoes, like really early in the morning, it's like, yeah, I had to go live for this. But welcome back, Haley. Hope you're doing good. So I'm keeping an eye out there for this area here. This is what I'm a little concerned about. Might be a little bit of rotation right here trying to develop. So Otsego up in New York State should keep an eye on it. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing a whole lot, but it's something to watch because you never know if it could start turning ugly. I mean, considering the environment here, we are keeping an eye on it. Prepper says cot fun question. That's funny. Or just get like an air mattress and blow it up down. Let's see here. Wait, Liam says NHC 7 advisory. Hillary's now Cat 4? Wait, what? For real? No way. You're joking, right? It's a Cat 4 now? No way. 140 sustained. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're right. 140 mile per hour sustained. Let me bring y'all the satellite over here. This thing's a cat. Whoa, dude, that eye. Even since the beginning of the stream, this thing has taken off. Dude, look at that thing. Look at that eye right there. Holy cow. I love how the sea level pressure's not keeping up with the eye here. Wow, dude. That thing is a beast. I mean, look how big it is, too. I mean, there's Texas in comparison to the storm here. It's a really big, really big tropical system here. Wow. Bunch of pillows, some snacks, a blanket. Says, that'd be pretty nice. Haley says, thanks, Andrew. I love this channel, and you are doing good at your job. Oh, well, thank you, Haley. Let's see here. But yeah, no, that's crazy. Let's see. Well, I'll wait whenever this updates here. I'll show you guys. How much you want to bet? I don't know if it's going to be forecasted to go to Cat 5 after that. Let's see here. It's like 140 right now. Anyways. See here, there's a minor debris ball in that system you're watching. What? Where? Where? You're talking right here, right? Okay. Correlation coefficient. Where? I don't see a debris signature, dude. Yeah, there's nothing there. Alright, so yeah, once again, we do have a warning out for, let's see here. Oh, they updated it. 155, or 150. They have it max up to 140 or 150 right now, with gusts up to 185. Let's see. I don't know if the website, the NHC Pacific tweeted it. Yeah, no, it updated. It updated, Liam. But yeah, no, we do got a warning, y'all, for New York State. Severe thunderstorm warning for Deposit, Sydney Center. Yeah, so far there's nothing really crazy going on. It's good. Mr. Snow says, I think it's almost guaranteed to become a Cat 5. I mean, no, I wouldn't be surprised, but it's not guaranteed. I mean, it's still forecasted to be a Cat 4 by the experts at the Hurricane Center. Let's see here. And the tropical storm wind field's also massive. Yeah, that it is. Let me look at it. Wow, it really is massive. Holy cow, look at this thing, y'all. Oh, didn't want to full screen that. Let's go move that. Yeah, look at that thing. I think it's crazy. Look how large that wind field is. I wish I could zoom out on this map here. I wish there was a map I could zoom it out on. That way I could kind of show y'all a comparison to like Texas or something. But it's a massive, massive storm there. Huge. There was an eye wall replacement cycle in the past few hours. Yeah, no, it's definitely been developing its eye pretty good lately. Yeah, look at that, especially that last frame. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. I think scary looking, honestly. I mean, this thing literally just started as it was just a tropical. Oh, wrong screen. It was literally just a tropical storm here yesterday. Which is nuts. Or the day before, I guess. Since today's a new day. But, yeah, Cat 4 now. Also, it's already sparking off some thunderstorms. It looks like increasing those wind shears up. Increasing the upper level winds there. Because what's crazy is that on the surface, hurricanes, their winds go counterclockwise. And on the upper part of hurricanes, you can actually see the winds go clockwise. I don't know if y'all knew that. But the lower portion of a hurricane, there towards the surface, the winds go counterclockwise. But like I said, the upper portions go clockwise. See, Janice says 03062. Alright, I can do that real quickly. 03062 for New Hampshire. Yeah, you are in that 2% tornado threat for today, but later on your impact is going to be later today. Yep, so there you go. You're in that 2%. Got to keep an eye out tomorrow, or later today, I should say. Let's see. Cone is starting to move west a bit. Is it, though? No, I think it's moving east a bit, actually. Because it had it going a little bit west of San Diego. Now it looks like it's a little east of San Diego. That central point of the cone of uncertainty. Huh. Let's see. Earthball says I can't donate, but I'm a storm tracker. That's fine, Earthball. Said it's never about the donation. None of you guys have to donate. Nobody has to donate. You don't have to. Like I said, just y'all being here and just remaining weather aware is all that matters. See here, the wind field's 430 miles wide. Wow, that's. Let's see. Oh, I'm already on this here. So 430 miles wide would be. That's not right. What am I looking for here? Oh, there we go. You said for 430? Huh. That's 430 miles right there. Dang! That's 430 miles right there between that and that. It's hard to see that circle, but I can outline it a little better for y'all. So that right there, y'all, is 430 miles wide. Apparently that's the wind field of it. Whoa. Alright. Well, we'll keep an eye on it. Let's see here. Pete says, good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Pete. Hope you're doing good. Judy says, did I hear you mention tornado in New Hampshire in the same breath? Yep, so today 2% chance for tornadoes across Vermont, New Hampshire, and southern Maine, actually. All of Massachusetts, all of Connecticut, all of Rhode Island. What about Mississippi? There ain't much going on in Mississippi right now, actually. How's Stormy? She's good. Let's see. What's the software I use for my marker? It doesn't have a little tab where I can see it. I don't remember, honestly. It's just a button I push and it pops up. I forgot. Let's see. Robin says thank you. That is so interesting. You're very welcome. Dennis 12550. I'm gonna do a couple of these. 12550 for New York. So for now, or tomorrow, I should say, or later today, you're good. But you are in the 2% chance for tonight for tornadoes, unfortunately. It's a pretty low chance, but it's can't be ruled out. Judy says, no, I want some sun. I hear ya. I don't blame you there, Judy, but... Oh, let's see. It's good to hear Stormy's doing good. Yeah. Yeah, she's fine. Alright, so they updated the warning. They got rid of it for Deposit, New York. This still includes the warning for Walton and Sydney Center. Let's see here. 60 mile per hour wind gusts and penny size hail possible. Other than that, that's it. Alright, let's see. Night Venomous says, hey, what's up? Brad says, I'm tired, going back to sleep. Have a good night, everyone. You too, Brad. Trust me, I'd be there too, but tornadoes might have another idea. Just got my wisdom tooth removed. I'm feeling better. That's good. Nice. Alrighty. I'll tell you what, after this live stream, y'all, I'm going to go upstairs and crash. I am, like, tired. Been up since, what? 7 a.m. yesterday? Wow. If I was up since 7 a.m. yesterday, that was what? Like over 17 hours or so? Goodness. It's crazy. I didn't even think I was up that long. Alright, let me switch to this radar. There we go. There we go. Sydney Center. Yeah, y'all still have this for 60 mile per hour wind gusts being possible out there. Okay. Let's see. Knight says, oh man, you really earned the sleep. Yeah, thank you, Knight. I just feel unsettled not going live for this. You know, just knowing that there's a chance for some tornadoes out here at nighttime in a populated area. It's like, goodness. How's the tornado damage so far? We've had no tornado warning so far this stream, thankfully. Thank goodness. We've gotten an hour and a half through already. We've been out live for an hour and a half. Wow. It's crazy. Pretty crazy. What does mesoanalysis say now? Yeah, it seems the instabilities are really limited to Pennsylvania, although we do have that severe up in let's see, New York State. Let's see, wind shear. Yeah, the helicity is what maybe a little interested, a little worried here. Seems like it's actually been dropping a bit though, the helicity. So basically, that's just measuring potential for lower level rotation, essentially. Which it looks like it's been dropping a bit. But it looks like over New York there, with the limited amount of instability there, we might maybe see something. We'll see. The most likely area immediately would probably be right in there, according to the mesoanalysis. But yeah. Let's see. I wish it would snow in Florida. I miss snow. I hear you, Shaw. That's yeah. I'm gonna move to Florida with my family. Unfortunately, because my family lives there. My brother lives there. My girlfriend lives there. I'm moving in with my brother, and yeah, no, it's I'm gonna miss the snow, unfortunately. DJ, whoa, this dude screaming in the chat. Um, DJ, can you tone it down a little bit? Also, could you use a zip code? That's a lot easier. Yeah, I don't feel like looking up monkey lumine. It's a lot of work. Closer to the girlfriend, that's great. Yeah, I mean, right now I live in Kentucky. We live about 14 hours from each other, and I'll be an hour away from her when I move. Like me and my brother's getting a new house, and I'm pitching in, helping him out, and I'm moving in 2 months. Moving in October, I think. As the plan is October right now, but it's cool. Oh, let's see. Saw my first hail in my life 2 weeks ago. Not bad. First time I saw hail, I put it in a drink. Not even kidding. I literally picked up the hail and I put it in a what was it? A cup of water. And so I was drinking. I was probably drinking a lot of pollutants, honestly, but I was like 10, maybe. Where in Florida are you moving to, or too personal? That's fine. Moving out there towards Lakeland, Auburndale area. Between like Lakeland, Auburndale, and Winter Haven, those regions. So basically central, kind of, yeah, basically central Florida, here. Right in this area here. Right in there, which is Central Florida. I was down in Lakeland all of late last year, from November to late January, almost February. Yeah, my brother's been living in Florida for years. I have an uncle in Florida. Yeah. Kids will be kids drinking some hail. I grew up in Midwest, probably would have done the same thing. Yep. I had a cup of water and I was like, is it really hailing out? And I went out and I literally picked up some hail. Might have had a few little shades of grass in it, but I remember putting it in the cup and drinking it. Dude, I was something else as a child, y'all. Man. Safer for hurricanes, but a lot of floods and lightning. Yeah. It is safer for hurricanes. Those winds will still really rock you, though, in central Florida. I was in Florida last season during Hurricane Nicole. Not Ian, but Nicole. Nicole hit as a Cat 1 in East Florida. I was in Lakeland during it. So we got like the upper tropical storm force of it. But yeah. Is there any mods in the chat? Me. We did have some mods, but I think they fell asleep. Which I don't blame them. It's really late. How much longer we got on this warning here? Oh, I turned those. Why did that turn that off? Oh, wait. Yeah, no, we do have a lot of special weather statements on this line here. Whoops. Got 16 minutes left. Let's see here. Free ice. There you go. Yeah, you don't even need a freezer for that. Let's see. Cream Corn says, how did we survive when we were kids? I don't know. I've done some stupid stuff as a child. I think a lot of us have. Just kid instincts, you know? Just curious about anything. Sometimes you gotta learn things the hard way, too. Let's see here. What the heck, Night? Oh my gosh. Alright, look at this line. Dude, this line's gotten pretty long, actually. Look how wide it is, or look how long it is now. I had hail a week ago, but it was so small it almost melted. Yeah. Yep. Alrighty. Yeah, they just updated that warning polygon. They got rid of it for Walton, just now for Sydney Center. See, I had Halo. Oh, I already read that one. Whoops. It's approving. It's getting late, y'all. Is that a weak mezzo on that thing? That might be a little bit of weak rotation right there. Right in there. We'll watch it. See, I've tried hail in the 70s. Definitely wouldn't today. I don't blame you. It's hard telling what's up in that. Oh, Liam is here. What's up, Liam? Says, alright, I'm heading to bed now. Be good, chat. I don't want to wake up and have to time people out. No, I'll be on mod duty as well. I got mod duty and stream duty. But y'all been good so far, so haven't had to enforce anything yet. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know how long we're gonna stream tonight, y'all. I said I wasn't even planning on this, but I am getting a little bit tired. Not gonna lie, but I'm gonna try to push through a little bit. Yeah, we still got some pretty high helicities out there in southern New York State. Seems like it's dropped a bit right next to that eastern side of Pennsylvania, the helicities. Let's see here. Yeah, good night, Liam. Let's see. Yeah, no, thankfully we haven't had any tornado warnings. I guess they did not go through with issuing that watch. Yep, they removed the mesoskill discussion. That was, oh yeah, that expired 18 minutes ago. Okay. Alright, well, it looks like they're not going to issue that watch. Maybe they've seen that it wasn't as crazy. Judy says, I should try again for some sleep too. Good night, y'all. Good night, Judy. Have a wonderful night. Thanks for joining. Yeah, so I think this one's about to be expired here. But yeah, have a good night, Judy. Thanks for joining. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, I'm not really seeing much rotation in this whole entire line, thankfully. As soon as I say that, we're going to see some stuff pop up here. And I don't want to end either, because as soon as I end, it's like things are going to happen. I'm worried. Yeah, I'm worried things are going to happen if I head off. So it's like, ugh. Like, if I stay, nothing's going to happen. If I head off, something's going to happen. Just how it's going to happen. That's just how it plays out. All the time. All the time. It's the way it goes. There's a really loud frog by my window, says Shaw. Shaw, aren't you in Florida? If so, that makes sense. Alright, let's see. We got 10 minutes left on this warning, y'all. So it expires at 2:30 a.m. Gosh, it's already 2:30 a.m. Alright, so they did issue a special weather statement for that southern side of the storm here. For wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour being possible. Can't sleep, says Earthball. See, Shaw says I live in St. Augustine, Zillion Frogs property. Most is wetland. Ah, gotcha. So yeah, Florida. Gotcha. Yeah, Florida is known for that, and soil being mostly sand. Yeah, I was down there for a while last year. I went down there twice actually. Drove from Kentucky to Florida each way, twice, or 4 times if you think about going back. But a 14-hour drive, y'all, and I have to do it again like 2 months from now. It's like, ugh. I'm excited for moving because, like I said, I'm moving with my brother. He lives in Florida. He's lived in Florida for many, many years, and I'm getting like a separate room. And like I said, I'm happy to move to Florida. I really am. I'm not looking forward to the moving part and the ride down there. So it's like, ugh. Not looking forward to that. Yodrax says night tornadoes are scary. They are. They can be. That's why I decided to go live in case things popped off here. Then we could talk about it. But actually, they just canceled that warning prematurely. Yep, they canceled it. It had like 10 minutes to go, but they canceled it. They said, nope, not needed. Good night. Check on hurricane tomorrow, said Janice. I will. I'll keep it on it. We'll keep you posted. I'll make sure everybody's staying weather aware out there. Shaw says, I hate moving. Yeah, me too. I lived in Virginia my whole life. In Northern Virginia, out in Prince William County. I lived out there since I was born till not this April that we just went through, but the April before last. So 2020, April of 2022 is when I moved to Kentucky. I like to move, but just not packing. Yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm not looking forward to my desk here. I have a big old U desk. I have to take that apart to move everything. It's gonna be such a pain. It's gonna be such a pain. I'm not looking forward to that, but yeah, it's gonna suck. I'm already dreading it, and we haven't even started. You know, loading everything up, unloading it. It's a lot of work. All right, let's see. We're an hour and 45 minutes in the stream. Having a hard time staying awake, I guess. Little dozing out, not gonna lie. Having some daydream moments. See, I moved in July. Moving furniture is a nightmare. I know it is. It is a nightmare. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that at all. Wait a minute, is this line breaking up? Kind of looks like the line's breaking up a bit up north. It's good. Yeah, it's running into that weaker instability up there. I think if places were to get a tornado tonight, the greatest area of likelihood would be right around in like this area. Oh wait, you're not even on that screen, y'all. Whoops. There you go. Yeah, right in that area. I think that's the greatest shot for maybe a little bit of tornadic activity. Actually, probably a little bit more to the south. Probably more like that area there. Right in there. Whenever you do move, you got this, man. I believe in you. Thank you, Knight. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm getting a lot bigger of a room too, to the point, like, I mean, I'm talking a big room, which is really thankful for. So I'm gonna be able to get like a fridge and stuff like that. There's a lot of things I'm saving up for, like kind of like a mini studio apartment type of ordeal. Like the room is that good of a size, so I have a whole Amazon list full of stuff I need to save up for. Have like $2,500 worth of stuff I need to save up for whenever I move. So yeah, it's a little it's also a little expensive too, but yeah. Anyways, y'all, so they did cancel that one warning. Let's see, your last update here. We don't have any rotation. It looks like things have been behaving themselves. Storms have been behaving themselves so far, for the most part. No reports out of that storm that had that severe warning on it, so that's that. Jobs pay more in Florida than Kentucky. Yeah, but it's also more expensive too. Pretty sure. Alrighty. Let's see what. Okay, we're at an hour 46. I might. Okay. I will definitely. I'm gonna head off here, y'all. 2 hour mark, which is in 14 minutes. I'm just gonna be on here for 14 more minutes, y'all. Because I'm losing it a little bit, a little tired. Just imagining the size based off my room here, and man, that's impressive. I can show you a picture if you would be interested in seeing that. Yeah, it's pretty decent room. I guess I mean you'll see it eventually when I move down there. So let me pull it up here. I want to show y'all real quickly. Yeah, there you go. That's gonna be my new room there. It's a pretty long room. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn that into like a little apartment area. It's kind of it's a part. It's not even attached to the main house. It's like a little just extension, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna save up stuff for that, my cool little apartment area. I'm excited for that though. I really am. All right, see you later, Earthball. See, it is expensive. The shot, yeah. Let's see. Have I shopped around to make sure you're getting the best buy for your money? Yeah. No, I've done some budgeting and stuff. Looked around. See here. Knight says that goodness gracious, that's reminds me of the studio apartment I just moved out of. It was nice. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It is pretty cool. Pop Smurf says just popped in. What's up? Hope you're doing good. Like I said, we're gonna head off here in 12 minutes. Pop Smurf, just letting you know, cause yeah, I'm a little tired and it's almost 2:30 a.m. I gotta go to sleep. I was not planning to be live here tonight, but I wanted to, and they did not issue that watch, which is good. So. That's what I was a little concerned about, is them pulling the watch, because you know if they pull a watch, it's gonna be pretty nasty for 2%. So it's like, yeah, gotta keep an eye on it. Let's see. Shaw says Nito. Yeah, no, it's pretty cool. I'm excited. I really am. But yeah, like I said, right now no rotation. Things are looking pretty chill for now. Like I said, seriously, as soon as like I said, as soon as I head off tonight, y'all, watch, it'll be tornado warning. Like I said, knock on wood. Hopefully it does not happen. But knowing my luck, we've been live for 2 hours and no tornado warnings. And yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Look at the eye of dude, that is ridiculous. That thing's gotten crazy. Hillary out there. You see Hillary on the second panel there. Hillary's gotten to be pretty crazy. Let's see. Proxy says, Andrew, another good thing about moving to Florida is when you retire, you can move straight to the villages and retirement community known as the Disneyland for seniors. Proxy, that's funny. Hopefully I'll be a while from now. It's funny. Yeah, usually a lot of people retire and go to Florida. But yeah, I mean, the reason I'm going down there is because, like I said, I have my family down there, my girlfriend's down there. Well, you know, plus it's kind of a cool. I've always been in the tropics. I've always grew up around the beach and stuff, so it's like it's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, Florida's beautiful, really beautiful state. It's crazy, but beautiful. Robin says, "Wow." Yeah. Talking about the hurricane is pretty crazy, huh? Dude, that eye has gotten pretty aggressive looking. I mean, look at that thing. That thing's really cleared up. Wow, look at that. Really, it's cleared up in that last few scans. Goodness. Yep. No rotation so far. That's good. Hope it remains that way all night, y'all. I'm going to, like, be so upset if I wake up in the morning and there's a tornado that was reported every night. Dude, I would never be able to get over myself for that. It's just getting so late. Let's see. David says, I lived in Hollywood, Florida for 22 years now. I'm in Is it Notches? Natchez, Mississippi. Gotcha. So you've lived there for about as long as I've been alive on this planet. Alright, so apparently that line is actually going down into Maryland here now. That tail. So if y'all live out in central Maryland, don't be surprised if you hear a couple booms tonight. A little bit of thunderstorms could be possible. Okay, so for tomorrow's event, guys, or today, I should say, I don't think coverage is going to be needed tomorrow. I don't plan on going live tomorrow for coverage. What I do plan on, though, is doing a tropical update live stream like we did today. The day after that, too. We don't even have any margin, not even a marginal risk here for the day after tomorrow, too. So it's for the 19th. Yeah, we don't even have a marginal risk out there. Just little thunderstorms. Yeah, pretty nice having blocking high pressure out there. So that'll be good. I don't plan on going. If that's the case, if there's no marginal, well, I was gonna say I probably will take a day off, but I haven't had a day off in months probably. But yeah. So because of the hurricane, I got to keep on updating. I'll do another live stream for that. So as long as severe weather doesn't happen, or it's or at least it's minimal, then I will just resort to like tropical updates at evening time for the next couple of days. And of course, whenever the hurricane makes its way to California, I do plan on going live for that. Yeah, I definitely plan to go live for the cover for the landfall, quote unquote landfall for that. But anyways, all right, y'all. So we got about 6 more minutes until I head off here, guys. So if there's anything that y'all have any questions about or anything, let me know. Because, like I said, I'm starting to really get super tired. So I'd love to be here all night for you guys, but I wasn't planning for this, to be honest. Like I said, honestly, I was kind of a split decision I had to do. And since they issued that mesoscale discussion, I'm like, yeah, dude, I got to go live for a little bit. But thankfully, at least in the 2-hour marker, we've been live. Nothing's happened. And storms have tracked east and put other people not into threat anymore, which is good. I really hope that tornadoes won't be a concern, even if there still is the environment that's possible for it. I don't think many tornadoes will happen, even if they do happen. And even if they do happen, they would likely be pretty weak too, to some extent. But yeah. Let's see. I have a question. Is the tornado heading to Maryland in the past days? No. Nope. No tornado threats for Maryland. Alrighty. About the tropical wave in the Gulf, says David. It's not, models don't really pick up on it doing too much crazy activity here. Not too worried about it. But we got a 30% chance of tropical formation out of it in the next week. So it's literally a 70% chance it won't develop into a tropical cyclone as of now, but an overall 30% chance. Yeah. But we're going to be heading off here, y'all, and the stream's going to end at the 2-hour mark. So we're gonna be heading off here, guys, and here I'm gonna head off here in 2 minutes. So if there's any last calls that y'all want me to take a look at, let me know. I guess I can go ahead and say goodbye, or say big thank you, I should say, to our donators so far for today, or for today, I should say. Obviously, we have Proxy. Thank you seriously so much, Proxy. I really appreciate you. We all love you. Thank you so much, Proxy. You rock. We had Ryan Benson. Thank you so much for supporting us. We had also another Ryan helped out as well today, and Cream Karn become a member. And that's all the super chats and everything we had for today. So I really appreciate it. Thank y'all. Really appreciate it. We love you guys. We'll be live tomorrow, or today, I should say, later on, for Tropical Weather updates. Unless if the risk gets upgraded, I will do a live coverage, but I'm not expecting it to, or I'm not expecting to go live tomorrow. I'm gonna try to hold off from coverage tomorrow since I've been doing this for days and days straight. I'm gonna mostly focus on the tropics here because I think that's more of the biggest concern is the tropics overall. Let's see here. David says, good night. God bless you and your family. Thank you so much, David. Greatly appreciated. Earthball says, bye, Andrew. See you later. Like I said, you guys have a wonderful night. Once again, I'm sorry I can't stay up all night, y'all. I'm sorry. I really wish I could, but I physically can't. Physically, mentally, I'm exhausted. I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to crash hard. I already know it. Like, I'm sure if I close my eyes right now, I could fall asleep in this chair if I wanted to, which I'm not. But I think I probably could. But, all right. Well, guys, let's see. We are almost at that 2-hour mark. We're 3 minutes away. Actually, 2 minutes away now. So I think we're going to go ahead and switch over here to the ending screen. Once again, y'all have a wonderful night. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Once again, big shout out goes to Proxy once again for helping us out today. Thank you so much, Proxy. We love you. Obviously, the two Ryans. Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all, Ryans. You know, obviously we had ourselves Cream Karn becoming a member. Really appreciate it. And just thank y'all so much for that. Really appreciate it. But all right, let's see here. Imagine that, a sleep stream with radars up and snoozing Andrew. That would be something. It would be something. But the stream would probably go on at well past the event, considering I'm not going to wake up till late tomorrow, probably. Considering I'm going to bed at nearly 3 a.m. Anyways, Proxy says, sleep well, everybody. See you again soon. All right, Proxy, sounds good. See you later, Proxy. As we take care, take care of you so you can take care of us. Thank you for serving us. You're very welcome, Robin. No problem. Very welcome. Thank you, Earthball. So you're welcome. Have a great night, man. You too. You too, Ryan. Once again, thank you so much. All right, guys. Well, stream's going to head off here now, 2 minutes from now. Once again, y'all have a wonderful night. Please be safe out there, especially be weather aware if you live across eastern Pennsylvania, south central, southeastern New York State tonight. Just keep an eye on it. Make sure you have alerts on. So if you're in a warning, make sure you all stay safe out there. But all right. Well, you guys have a wonderful rest of your night. We'll catch you guys here for tomorrow. And all right, y'all. See ya later on. Peace out, my friends. See you then.